Alright, so we just arrived from our place dito sa may Sibs. Rooms are okay. Rooms are so nice, so comfy. And dito siya, ang itsura niya. And this is going to be my room, bedroom 1. And since wala akong katabi, it's going to be my own room. So, solo ko dito. Yeah, thank you St. Paul University Philippines for this opportunity. Diba naka-dress na ako for the seminar. Kaya mag-ibigay sa mamaya and everything. And hopefully may edit ko itong vlog nito. See you guys. Napakahirap naman. Hindi kasi smart yung aming... So tapos kami sa morning session and we did charades, which is not my forte kasi ako ay very introverted person. And nandyan si Sir Mark. Ewan ko kung matatapos namin itong araw na to. Ano masasabi mo for today's seminar?
Masaya na charades.
Parang hindi nagawa. Pwede ba tayo bumalik sa room natin?
Yes. After lunch.
Yeah, so mag-lunch kami guys. Bye. Lalabas pa daw tayo. So nag-snacks kami guys. Ang daming dito. Parang busog na kami. Ito po yung lounge. Katatapos lang ng day 1. Hey!
Hey! Office na yan.
It's a rainy afternoon here in Manila guys. Yes. It's rainy in Manila. So, katatapos ng aming session for today, medyo nakakapagod siya kasi hindi naman kami wala kami masyadong ginawa. I mean, yeah. But we're here in the lounge. It's kind of like a kitchen in some sorts. Yeah, I think I'm gonna rest. Hindi muna ako sasama sa kanila, magsha-shopping daw sila. But I'm too tired to do that. So, yeah. Sana masaya yung day 2. Victoria no 9.68. Manila ka man pagigaraw. Beanie birth is real. Oh no! Oh no! So ito ang situation namin ngayon guys. We are stuck in Quezon City. They're playing Raining in Manila. Masaya. Ayan guys. So lunchtime na. Lakas ng ulan. At baha. Grabe. Sana safe kami. Ang galing yung music na. Lunch. Hello, kami babalik na sa hall. Sana matapos na alas 2.
Let's make it away.
Yes. Let's fast track everything. Dito kami sa SSS. The pheasant plucker's wife. I've been plucking mother pheasants my whole life. Pero mabilis din mag-subside.
Oo, wala na yung buka.
Ito lang yung kama ko kagabi. Ngayon, ito naman na yung kama ko. Salitan mo. Baka sana magselos na siya, hindi siya nahihiga. Bakit ako ganun? Just so you know guys, ito ang setup ko ngayon. Last night I slept there. Tonight I'm gonna sleep here. I feel like ang dami kong time para mag-iwaliw sa mga bagay-bagay na ganito. What am I doing? Yeah. Ba't ako nakatayo? Like I said, I feel like I'm a child again. In the best way possible kasi never ako na-experience ng maging dormer. Only once when I was in college for OJT sa Senate. And it's kind of weird that I'm now the advisor din of the Senate internship and I'll be the one to guide the students. And I'm so happy because ito ba yung independent life na sinasabi nila? Or OA lang ba ako? But I also am so scared kasi literal na lululubog na ngayon ang Manila. But yeah, day 3 tomorrow and hopefully it's gonna be more fruitful. And sayang hindi kami natuloy sa UST but I'm still happy that we're safe and I still have the comforts of this kind of room. Kahit binabagyo ng buong Manila. So yeah, thank you Lord. And the weirder thing about it pa is never din ako na-experience ng seminar of any type of, ganitong klaseng seminar. Hindi ko siya forte, ganun. Pero, thank you kasi na-experience ko siya. Kaya, sana ma-edit ko pa rin itong vlog na ito. Hindi ko alam pinagsasabi sa mga content. Bottom line is, I'm very happy, so happy that I'm experiencing these kinds of things. Experiencing new things because medyo nalugmok in the past months because of something that has happened in my life. But, now I'm happy. I'm happier. Yeah, yun ang importante. Day 3 guys, we're back and it's sunny in Manila now. It's not, it's almost sunny. Look at the view guys. Look at the
Be, yung sun talaga literal nandito, be.
Siya nagsabi nun guys ha. The sun is up.
The sun is up already.
Ayan.
Na-deflect lang yun.
Day 3. Day 3. May supply ako guys. Dahil kay Sir Renzo. Thank you Sir Renzo. Ayan, tatasa. Okay, may mag-register na for day 3. I think this is the last day na, no? Saan mo pa dami pa rin UST? Not really sure. But, yeah, day 3.
Communication process, i-discuss din yan sa purpose of communication. No? And the basic the rationale behind yes, yung gamit mong lenguwahe. So you can work together later on pagbalik. Ang pag-usapan na natin, paano mo yung capstone natin? Ano si Sir na yun? Leading in
if we could have been like all faculty na nag-join dito. This question might come off tangent dito sa topic. Pero since you are
communications department ng Malacanang. Kasi akala ng mga BAELS, usually ang pinupuntahan nila ay magiging teacher din. Wala namang problema. Okay lang.
you were Romeo. Scarlet letter, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. Everything to me. Alright guys, that's the last day. We graduated. Third day, it's the end of the day. Sa may vlog na ito. Ano man sabi mo sir sa filming niya? Wow, mga ganun ka na rin sir ah.
First to receive the certificate is Mr. Wilfredo DJ.
Na sila guys. Mauna na sila kasi wala ako. Pupunta pa ako sa inyo. Ingat po, mag-chat kayo. Wow! Bye-bye! Ingat! See you soon! At ako'y maiiwan dito kasi marami pa ako kasi kasuhin sa Manila. May booking siya. Magpapabook siya. Bye! So, ang gagawin ko, diba? Mag-edit siguro ng vlog. This looks like a nice, I don't know, setup. Pwede na siyang pangbahay or like condo unit. Now, free ako sa 2 rooms. Pwede dito. But of course, my favorite, my own room. Ayan. And the good thing about it is they allowed me to stay for the night until tomorrow lunch. So, yeah. Sana ma-edit ko yung vlog. And sana, if nandito pa rin kayo sa portion ng video nito, thank you for watching. And if you ever want to watch my other videos, just look at my profile sa YouTube. Yeah, bye!